Are you tired of complicated recipes? What if I told you the king of British comfort food, steak and kidney pie, is actually simpler than you think? Today, we're making a truly magnificent steak and kidney pie from scratch. We're talking tender beef, rich gravy, and that savory kick from the kidney, all tucked under a golden, flaky crust. Get ready to impress with this classic. Many shy away from steak and kidney pie, thinking it's too much effort or the kidney is too gamey. But with a few simple tricks, it's incredibly rewarding. We'll start by searing our beef and kidney to lock in flavors. Then slow simmer them with onions, carrots, and rich beef stock. The secret is slow cooking. It tenderizes the meat beautifully and builds incredible depth. For the pastry, we're going for a simple, flaky short crust. No need to be a pastry chef. A good butter, a light touch, and a quick chill are all you need. Once our filling bubbles with savory goodness and our pastry is rolled, we'll bring it all together. Watching that golden pastry cap go over the steaming filling, then coming out of the oven, is pure magic. And there you have it. A show-stopping steak and kidney pie. That's comforting, hearty, and surprisingly straightforward. You've transformed basic ingredients into a masterpiece. For more delicious British classics, check out this next video.